wetin I see inside this bottle of Coke, you no go believe am. Na make I share am with una. If this is our first time on my channel, please, before we continue, share this video. Make we expose these people. When we see wetin dey inside the Coke, Mona, look carefully.
Make I use my teeth.
Make you use your teeth opener. So make we pour the Coke for the glass. My people, you see the bottle, you see the one wey dey inside glass. Nothing really dey inside this Coke. I know say una been dey wait for bad news, but
no, man,
nothing really dey inside this Coke.
Na drink, ordinary.
Na ordinary drink. This company dey try.
They nourish body.
This drink na booster. For instance, if you don tire, like as I tire from work like this now,
go buy am.
As I take am like this, na booster.
As in,
the energy wey I don lost go just come back sharply. So nothing dey inside this Coke. If you never drink Coke before, find way go buy a bottle.
Go buy your own.
Go buy a bottle of Coke for yourself. This drink na drink wey dey kajad o. This video is not being sponsored by Coca-Cola company. It's not being sponsored by Coca-Cola company. But if you never drink Coke before, I go advise you, may you go buy one bottle of Coke like this. Take. Thank you very much.